everybody, I changed my mind. I decided to go to downtown Disney to go watch the fireworks because today is going to be the first day that they are bringing back the fireworks permanently. Trader Sam's also opened back up, and I'm gonna butcher the name, the Tangaroa Terrace also opened back up. These opened up on July 2nd, and today is July 4th. So we're gonna go in and we're gonna have some fun. It did take me about 10 minutes to get into the parking lot because there are so many people here and they are not having you do the little tickets today. Today was a flat rate fee of $10 since they anticipated a lot of people. And look how cool this is. Look at all the Dragon Ball stuff. Super cool. Trader Sam's opened back up and I'm going to go and check it out. Just kind of walk around. I don't know exactly what we're going to do today, so let's go. But I do know that we're going to watch the fireworks. First, we're going to walk over to Trader Sam's, so we're going to see how long the line is to get in. I'm really happy to see that the Disney hotels are all opened again. It's exciting. Except that part's closed. But the hotel is open. These gates are new. I do not remember these gates. Oh, we're here. So here are all of the hotel shops and restaurants. We've got the pool area. So it does look like they're wrapping everybody around to one side, to this side. I don't know if you're only allowed to go in here or if this is to get into both sides, but we're gonna find out.
Yeah.
In the state of California, so it's a doctor of chiropractic, so that's a DC. To become an MD they don't allow us to apply over until we get but he hates like one that's gone off. It is what
Oh, the gazebo garden area is open again. So pretty. I do apologize that there were no updates inside. It was very, very loud in there. I didn't want to disturb everybody next to me, and I was sitting at the bar, so I didn't have a lot of space to be able to talk to you guys. But your guys' update is as follows. Trader Sam's is open, but the inside of the tiki bar area is still, unfortunately, it's still closed. There are fireworks going off right now, so ignore that. So they did open up an outside bar of the Tangaroa Terrace. The name, I'm sorry, pronunciations put it in the comments below. Let me know how to say it. They did make us like an outside bar area. If you guys have recently been here, they said that they opened it right before COVID happened. So it's a nice little outside bar area surrounded by all of the normal outside seating that they already had with all the tiki torches and stuff. So it's really nice. It was really pretty. You guys obviously saw some of the footage views from outside, but I got my little cup, got my cute piranha. I did get the piranha pool. They have options of green and gold, and I got the gold because I thought it would look really cute with my plants. And then also got some sweet potato fries. They were really good. Some sweet potato fries, but those ones were pretty good. And when COVID happened, when Downtown Disney opened up, I noticed that the beautiful garden was closed, and now it's open. And I love this garden so much. I was obsessed with it when I was a little kid, and I used to always want to come hang out in here, and I loved seeing people get married here with the big old Cinderella carriage, and oh, my heart. All right, so now we are going to head into Downtown Disney District, and I think we're gonna get some beignets because I heard that they had some really good ones, some special ones, those booms, some special ones for us to try. So let's go. One last look around of the gorgeous garden. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm just really excited that everything is fully open again at Disneyland, and we get to all enjoy the magic. And this is the sun-setting nighttime views of the lounge and the pool. Everything is so much more magical at night. There are a lot of people here tonight. Okay, we are here at the Jazz Kitchen to go side to get our beignets, and it's a very long line. We've got beignets. Alright, we got our beignets, and now we're gonna go and find our spot to go sit down to go watch the fireworks. My goal was to find my brick and watch the fireworks at my brick, but there are a lot of people over here, and I do not think that that's gonna happen. My brick is lost. Wow. My brick is somewhere over there, so we're just gonna hang out over here.
You know, now what would it say in our photos? Okay, you know. Okay. Dust for people. You can get the light show.
I don't have to put my hands on the
Leave the whole way.
do apologize that I got out of Disney in such a rush. I got my beignets. Let me show these little pretty things to you. Got my beignets. These are the Fruity Crunch. So it is regular beignets with a blueberry icing. And cover your ears. Oh, okay. Regular beignets with blueberry icing. My dog's choking. You okay? Oh, are you okay? Oh my gosh. You good? You smelled the goods, didn't you? Alright. Okay. Anyways, she's all good. We're good. But this is a regular beignet with blueberry icing and fruity pebbles as the crunch on top. It smells amazing. So good. But they are not warm anymore, so I am going to heat them up. I figured it would be easier to eat them here than it would be over there because, like I said, after I got my beignets, I wanted to go over to watch the fireworks, but my hands were full because I had my beignets and I had my... Oh, he gave me sticks. Okay. I had my fish, my piranha, from Trader Sam's. Let's show you guys that. You want to see it too? Yeah? Well, I'm going to show it to you. She thinks it's food. It's not food. It's definitely not food. Oh, you want to see? Oh, she's sniffing it. She's giving it kisses. Alright, so here is my super cool cup from Trader Sam's. So I was walking around with that and with my beignets and I couldn't film. So I was like, alright, I'll just film when I get over there. I got over there and as you guys saw, people everywhere. It was insane. It looked like how it used to look pre-COVID. It was insane. I did not expect that many people. I thought there would be a lot of people there, but not to that extent. It was nuts. So since there were so many people, I did sit on the floor. I sat on the floor and I watched the show from the floor, but since there were so many people, I didn't want to have the camera out and in people's faces since we were so close in this little bubble. And then I just didn't want to be that close to people and eating the beignets and trying to yell over everybody's voices. So I thought you guys would appreciate if I would bring them home, I would warm them up a little bit, and I would try them here with you, where it's cleaner and happier and quieter. Except there's a lot of booming still going on because of the fireworks. So let me heat these up and we'll give them. When I mentioned, oh, he gave me sticks, it was the cute little Trader Sam's. Wow, I wish that would focus. Trader Sam's sticks. They're basically the stir sticks, but they're super cute. They're like little tikis. I'm sorry, it's just not focusing, but that's what I was talking about. My bartender was very nice. He kept checking on me. Everybody thinks I'm crazy because I'm this girl that's out doing stuff by myself. So everybody, I feel like, is very nice, very helpful, and just nice. So it's been a good day. I like it. Alright, we're waiting for these beignets. They smell so good. I'm excited, you guys. Woo! Alright, it is nice and warm. And I'm super excited to try it. Oh, this one smells the greatest, I'm telling you. Okay, let's give this a go. My dog is sitting there staring at me like, can I have some? Alright, it's incredible. So, if you've never had a beignet before, it's kind of like a powdered donut, kind of, but not dense. It's a lot fluffier and it's hollow. Unless there's something in it, but this one doesn't. I'm explaining really bad. It's kind of like a hollow donut. It's fluffier and it's just really good. It's so good. The blueberry on top, the blueberry icing, I think that's what does it for me. It's really good. Okay. I love you, beignets. The Fruity Crunch beignets. They might be my favorite. They're very close. First, second place. They're very close to the lemon. The lemon ones are really good. But these are good. I don't know which one I like more. These are good. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me at Downtown Disney. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are going to be visiting Disney anytime soon, everything is open! Yay! It's so exciting. I'm excited for you guys. And until the next one, thanks again for watching this. Hit the like button for me. Leave me a fun comment. Yay! Okay, bye guys!